All right, here we go. In our co-main event of the evening is in the female flyweight division. It's Ukraine versus Egypt. Lena, the older, at 25 years of age, weighed in slightly lighter than her opponent Fatia, who is 57 kilograms. Has a slight advantage, does Lena, at 5'6", and is 8-2-0, especially a 0-2 record here in the SFL.
SFL 16 में बढ़ते हैं आगे. अब वक्त है लेडीज फ्लाईवेट कैटेगरी में. और हमारे पहले फाइटर है इजिप्ट से. She is silent and deadly like a crouching tiger. Fatia Mustafa.
Fatia Mustafa, another proud fighter from Egypt, as she makes her way to the shores of Mumbai for Pearls SFL 16. Fatia at the Mountain Dew Fighter Prep Point. डर के आगे जीत है.
मेरा नाम फातिया मुस्तफ़ा है. मैं कायरो, इजिप्ट की रहने वाली हूँ. मेरे अंकल मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं करते, लेकिन मेरी माँ और कोच मुझे सपोर्ट और प्रोत्साहित करते हैं. मुझे एसएफएल ने मौका दिया है. इंशाअल्लाह मैं ज़रूर जीतूंगी. लीना, बच के रहना.
Fatia Mustafa has some good hands, and tonight she has a chance to show them off against her opponent, Lena Ovchinnikova. What do you think there?
Some big words by the up-and-comer Fatia. And also a lot of thanks from the SFL towards Fatia for taking this fight on short notice, because the original bout was between Lena Ovchinnikova versus Lena Eklund from Sweden.
और उनसे लड़ने के लिए आए हैं यूक्रेन की लीना द हंटर Ovchinnikova.
We welcome back Lena, the hunter Ovchinnikova, to the SFL here tonight for Pearls SFL 16. 0-2 in the O-Zone. Can she break her losing streak as she makes her way at the Mountain Dew Fighter Prep Point? डर के आगे जीत है.
मेरा नाम लीना ओवचनिकोवा है. मैं यूक्रेन की रहने वाली हूँ. मेरा MMA रिकॉर्ड 8 विन और 2 लॉसेस है. मैं फाइटिंग अपने लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए और अपने देश के लिए करती हूँ. SFL ने मुझे मौका दिया है फाइट करने का और अपने स्किल्स दिखाने का.
पढ़ना है तो लड़ना है.
I like the last line Lena said. बढ़ना है तो लड़ना है.
Well, congratulations to Lena for learning some Hindi.
Now, I hope she believes in that statement, because she needs to come back here tonight. She needs to get a win going inside the O-Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, अब मैं आपको मिलाता हूँ अपने 2 fighters in the O-Zone में, female flyweight category में. Fighting out of the blue corner, her style kickboxing, उनका वजन 57 kilograms. इजिप्ट से लड़ती है वो फातिया मुस्तफा. And in the red corner, उनका वजन है 53.72 kilograms. यूक्रेन से आई है लड़ने के लिए, उनका स्टाइल MMA. Welcome to the O-Zone, Lena the Hunter Ovchinnikova. और हमारे मैच रेफरी हैं Ryan Top.
Referee for the co-main event in the female flyweight division is Ryan Thorpe.
Instructions at all times. When I say stop, you touch gloves if you want. Touch gloves. Corners.
I think there was a bit of a forced touch gloves.
Judge.
They already did that once.
Judge.
Egypt versus
Judge.
the Ukraine
Time.
at Pearl Super Fight
Ready.
League.
Ready. Fight.
Here we go. Round number 1 in the female flyweight division. Fatia in the blue trunks. Lena in the red corner. Swinging for the fences immediately.
Fatia
Is
going for
Fatia.
a counter-striking game, and Lena opening up with some low kicks.
Fatia needs to be careful because Lena has the kicking and the range advantage on her. She is the taller, longer fighter. Fatia should look to close the distance, come in and work some of her boxing.
Lena's been competing in Muay Thai all over the world, recently coming off of a big win in the USA. Fatia is also pretty good in the striking. She's been a national champion in kickboxing and boxing in Egypt, and is looking to land a couple of those punches on Lena's face.
One thing we know about Lena, and we've seen that in her last 2 outings here in Pearl's SFL, is that she can take a punch.
Well,
And
one
she
thing-
can hold her own on the ground as well.
Yes, Arjun, one thing is for sure is that if the fight goes to the ground, Lena definitely has the advantage.
Lena also, I would also say, Dan, Lena has the advantage in the clinch because she sets up a lot of her takedowns and her throws from that clinch position. So far, a good job countering Lena, is Fatia. Both fighters staying patient.
Fatia is moving very correctly. She knows how to move in the opposite direction to defend against the kicks.
She dropped her mouth guard there for a second. What happened? There might be some sort of
Guru,
problem
corner.
here.
Bucket. Stop. So, yeah.
Something has gotten wrong here.
Can she fight? She can't fight. Okay, that's it now. Done. That's it. Stop. Close. Okay. You can
Fatia,
fight.
they called actually,
Ready?
I don't know exactly what
Fight.
happened here. Referee Ryan Thorpe called the stop for some reason. I wonder, we will take a look at that in the replay and figure out what happened there. Lena lands a nice body kick. I wonder what all that was about, Dan.
Well, I'm not too sure if that was
I thought maybe
legal.
she got something stuck in her throat, or worst case, maybe the mouth guard.
Yeah. Maybe the mouth guard went in the opposite direction.
Yeah. It's a nice right hand. Lands a nice right hand as Lena. Nice body shots. Looking to, oh, look at this. She's looking to tie up her neck. She dropped down. But this is what Fatia has to avoid. She doesn't want to play this game with Lena. Lena is the superior grappler, straight into mount.
Fatia is holding on for dear life, but
That's a good way to put it.
Lena is still got the advantage, if I would say so.
But the good thing is that Fatia is staying calm. She's holding on, but she doesn't want to burn out those arms. You can hear those punches to the body. But if I was Lena, I'd be focusing on getting rid of that grip.
You could never be Lena, my friend.
No, no. Thank you, Daniel Isaac. You're always entertaining. All right, Lena is still in the mount position.
Both girls in stalemate position. Not too much happening. And if there's...
Oh, look at this!
Fight over.
Wow!
Yeah,
Lena used some sort of a neck crank there. from the mount position. Wow, we need to get a replay of that. And she breaks her losing streak.
Yep.
Wow.
Lena
Lena
is
Ovchinnikova
finally got her win. But she's got a swelling on the right side of her forehead with one of those punches landed by Fatia.
Guillotine.
Wow, that was a modified guillotine choke. We need to look at the replay here. Okay, this is how the fight started.
I thought she struck.
Fatia started off with some good combinations. She was holding her own in the striking. She almost landed a head kick there. Was Lena. Beautiful body punches by Lena. She drops down for a guillotine choke. Gets reversed. She lands in the mount. And here is... We can't really see it from this angle, but yes, it was a guillotine choke from the top position.
That guillotine was in place for a while, and at that particular point, she kind of twisted it a bit towards the correct position and was able to get the win.
Beautiful performance by Lena, who snaps her 2-fight losing streak inside the ozone. A great victory for Lena Ovchinnikova. Fatia's corner just checking up on her, making sure everything's okay. Safety is the utmost concern inside the ozone. Let me go to the Twitter page. Jitin C. Ravi says, hashtag SFL16 first, hashtag MMA tournament in India. All the best, guys. Love the show. Thank you, Jitin. Dhaval Damania says, what a match. At the Raj Kundra, hashtag SFL16. Dhaval, thank you, but I would like to correct you. It's not a match, it's a fight. We have some more tweets from you. Thinesh John MMA says, Amit Thapa had 2 Kimura attempts before ending the fight via TKO in the first stanza. Majestic performance, hashtag MMA, hashtag SFL16. Thank you, Thinesh John. And if I can correct you, it was an Americana, not a Kimura. 8th Wall says, at Tommy Tohold, you're watching hashtag SFL16 at STTKO HMZEV. Oh, I can't read that. Great MMA action from India at the Fight League.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the winner by submission, guillotine choke in the first round in 3 minutes and 36 seconds. In the red corner, Lena Ovchinnikova. Okay, I've got Lena's coach with me because she can't really speak very much in either English or Hindi, but congratulations, Lena, well done. Is this what she was expecting in terms of a fight from her, considering you haven't seen her before? You haven't seen her fighting?
Really, but we see some fight before, so we know what our way to kiss to win, it's grappling. So we try to put the game in the ground. So
you knew she was a big striker because that's what you said to me before the match, so you wanted to take it down.
We expect for the good striking, for the good punching kicks, and so we wait when the moment when we go down and make some grappling. So
okay.
First deal, and we're here. So we will.
Well fought, congratulations, Lena. Well done indeed. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye. All right, that's it from here. Over to Sabreed.
Well, Ukraine और Egypt की इस लड़ाई में Ukraine stood victorious. So Dan